In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to castle on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to castle on chess.com. If you want to do that, let's just go to learn as an example and let's just click on analysis. Here, of course, let's just play some moves as an example so we can actually castle. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Oh, sorry, that's not white's move. Let's just do this, this, and let's just free the queen side of the black. Of course, the whites. Now this, this, and this. Okay, so how can you castle now? Of course, there's two options to castle. There is the option to castle the king side, and there is the option to castle the queen side. If you want to castle, you can castle, but there should nothing be between the rook and your king to castle. As an example, if you want to castle the king side, you can simply click on the king, and as you can see, those are just the legal moves. This one, and this one. This is not legal, but if you click on it, as you can see, it will castle. Same happens with this king. If you click on it, you will see this 4 legal moves. The move that is not legal is this one, but if you click on it, that means it will castle the queen side and you'll be good to go. So that's how you castle, and I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.